So hey guys, J-Rush here again. So today we're gonna be talking about some of the plugins I use to keep myself safe online. Um, these include some ad blockers, most of them, but let's get into it. So here are my ad blockers. So this is the one I use most of them. Um, they do provide some good protection in terms of a lot of the areas that we kind of look into. So the first one we have is YouBlock. So if we go to here, um, YouBlock is basically another ad block. It's effective and free ad blocker. The official YouBlock station has been downloaded millions of times. So why YouBlock? Blocks ads on YouTube, Facebook, and the rest of the favorites. So it's easy to set up, and so you can read about this. So there's a lot of changes in my experience when I use these ad blockers. The other one we have is this one, which is AndBlock Unlimited. Similar case, it does the same thing. Sometimes one ad block might pick up another one, but another one might not pick up the other one. So you can try those. It's always good to have more than one. So this is the other one, AndBlock Unlimited. Very interesting. So you can click on it, and once it's installed, it'll give you some of these elements. So totally 3,414 blocked ads. YouBlock similar, like if it's on and off. If it's on, you'll block some. If it's off, you will not block some. Then you have your privacy plus ghost tree. So this is usually those things that track you around the internet. So for example, if we go to a website like what's a website? Maybe here. You see these start to become active. These are like, you can see how many trackers are there. Tinto, there are 2 trackers. Once ignore all these other stuff. So simplified view. So you have 2 trackers blocked. Request modified is 3. Page load is 91 seconds. So these are all on restricted sites and so forth. Here as well. Block elements. Maybe you can block some of these elements if you want, but we don't want to do that right now, so just cancel that. Yeah, so you see this continuously blocking certain things on this website. I don't know, maybe these have ads, but if you look at them, they're all kind of clean. That you barely see any ads on here, so it's a good thing. Sometimes you don't want to see them. Gives you distracts your attention. And the Guardian, yep, Guardians are immune to those as well. They are trackers. I think there are a few blocks. There's 2 blocked here. Here, there's always 26. So these kind of keep you safe online and also protect you from unwanted things that you don't want to have popping around. See, very clean. You can focus on the content itself and the news instead of these things popping out of nowhere and saying, "Oh, do this, do that." Privacy, again, there's 1 blocked. If you go to detail, yeah, 1 tracker that's been blocked. Google Analytics, obviously. The other ones are undefined. 2 trackers, which is theguardian.com. could be something related to ads, and I think it's going to be something related to the site's status in terms of how many people are coming in, how many people are going out, what kind of devices, what kind of location that you're coming from, so certain things. You also have the AdBlocker Plus, so similar to YouBlock, but it does provide some stuff for blocking. You have the privacy badge. It's basically protect you from trackers. So okay, you can block them, but sometimes you can choose not to, just to see what goes on. Then I have these ones. So these ones are more like my monetary plugins. This is called I think it's a response time monitor. So this is response time monitor. It basically monitors the pings, like how often, how stable or something is. So because I'm from Samoa, and this is the kind of ping we're getting. You might get better in your country. This one I use it for monitoring the internet. Sometimes my internet goes on and off, and sometimes the pages don't load properly, and this tells me that there might be a problem. So basically, this is the internet connection monitor. So basically, it monitors the internet. If it's online, offline, online, offline. Like for example, let me show it. I think this goes back, but I think if you click on it, it will provide some pop down or something. You can modify it, manage the extension if you want to change certain parts of the extension, allow incognito mode, and so on and so forth. So this one's good for monitoring. So green right now means that the internet is stable, and this tells me how latency in terms of pinging Google. So it's just pinging Google. You can also ping other things like maybe URL, like Yahoo, and then www. Okay, maybe HTTPS www.yahoo.com. Yeah, and then save changes. So basically, we just save changes, and maybe there's something wrong with this one, but Google seems to work. It's just slowly going through. Maybe we might need to go to Yahoo and grab some sort of image from Yahoo. Yep, maybe we need to go to Yahoo. Yahoo.com. Let's just go here. So let's have a look. Maybe we can grab this image. Copy image address. Yep. Go back here, options. Go here, Yahoo. We just need that one, and then save settings. Settings, okay. Yep. Yeah. So you see. So we're grabbing the latency of Yahoo. You can compare it over time in terms of where they sit. I think the plugin only provides you with 3 links, so it's up to you what you want to monitor. You can monitor some sort of latency in terms of a server that you have somewhere on the internet. Then I have these audios. So basically, I use this for reading. Sometimes I don't want to read the articles, and so maybe go to Wired. So every time I want to read something at Wired, and I don't want to read it, like basically just reading it out. So let's have a look at what we can. Maybe go to security. Hackers got past Windows Hello by tracking the camera. Okay. SolarWinds hackers use how to watch October days. Oh, no. Let's just go here. Didn't. No. Latest project. Maybe just go here. All these other don't really look like fun stuff to read. But. So yeah, so we get here and you see you can block this, but I don't want to do that. So for example, if you want to read this whole paragraph or this part of the article, you can right click on it and then go read, and this will read the selected text.
Biometric authentication is a key piece of the tech industry's plans to make the world password-less. But a new method for duping Microsoft's Windows Hello facial recognition system shows that a little hardware fiddling can trick the system into unlocking when it shouldn't. Services like Apple's Face ID have made facial recognition authentication more commonplace in recent years, with Windows Hello driving adoption even farther. Apple only lets you use Face ID with the cameras embedded in recent iPhones and iPads, and it's still not supported on Macs at all. But because Windows hardware is so diverse, Hello facial recognition works.
The other one I use is this one. So this turns when the article goes into sort of podcast. So for example, now this is the active article. You can convert this to a podcast, and then it's in the queue. Then the next thing you can look for other news, security. Maybe this one. Then you can we can try something. So let's convert that one. Yeah, so these are some of the things maybe I need to know that one. Okay, so we can convert that one. And then you can just play this one. So you see.
Biometric authentication is a key piece of the tech industry's plans to make the world password-less. But a new method for duping Microsoft's Windows Hello facial recognition system shows that a little hardware fiddling can trick the system into unlocking when it shouldn't. Services like Apple's Face ID have made facial recognition authentication more commonplace in recent years, with Windows Hello driving adoption even farther. Apple only lets you use Face ID with the cameras embedded in recent iPhones and iPads, and it's still not supported on Macs at all. But because Windows hardware is so diverse, Hello facial recognition works with an array of third-party webcams. Where some might see ease of adoption, though, researchers from
So, yep, I think those are some of the plugins I use to keep myself handy on the internet and help me protect myself from some things I don't want to have, especially malicious sites that might be tracking you or trying to dump things to you. So, thanks for watching, and yeah, stay tuned for the next one.